do you want to play Recursion?
Want to play Recursion?
Oh,
okay.
Yes!
Slow clap, slow clap.
Whoa!
Yay! We slow clap, Professor.
He was our first choice. We promise.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, by the way, there is no red.
Yeah, it's just GB.
Wow.
Okay, so the most noticeable thing. Okay. So basically, what I'm gonna do is this is sort of recursion, and I'm gonna go through and explain all the things that are going to be improved for this semester. First thing is that the logo is still from RGBDS. Oh, I should tell you some people.
That G is.
I'm a down dude.
Just make it a saw.
X and Z are your A and B buttons.
Oh, wait,
X and Z.
Okay.
And then Q will be recurse down, so when you're done with a character, and then W will erase the one.
If you have like a different pitch as you go further down.
Okay. The other thing that's worth noticing on the title menu is that half of the levels are still leftover RGB levels, so we only have 3 worlds right now, which is good for one semester, but we're going to add more. Go ahead and play a level. Okay, so this is from RGB, and the bottom is actually red. Okay, so another thing is that the textures are also still left over from RGB. So we're gonna add that. Another thing that's going on. This is a DS game, and we make very poor use of both screens and no use of the touch screen.
Which one is me?
That's another problem.
Get up there!
Another thing to be fixed is that all of the recursions look the same. By the way, these are all in my design document. I'm not just coming up with these on the fly.
No!
One more.
Can you get to the top?
Climb, man, climb!
Go, go, go!
Hey! Do it over. One more time!
Alright, so can you pause for 1 second? That's enter.
That's really annoying.
Alright, I'll say your character walks when you pause.
You mean Kirby? I thought so too. I'm trying to find the suck button. On the game. You got that on tape, right? Yeah.
So another thing while I'm still here, you have a time, you have a score, you have a number of recursions left, but the score doesn't save anywhere, so we need to start looking at save data. So that's another thing that will be added into this method. And if you look at it, the positions are art, level designer, programmer, that sort of thing. Another thing that the programmers are going to do is we're going to put a mini-map on the bottom screen so that if you don't know exactly where to go in a level, especially in some of the more complicated levels, can you hit Shift? I think that's select. And then go back. See, I think. And then go to advanced recursion. Do corridor of frustration.
That's an awesome name for a level. I should name my next class that.
What is up with the project?
Okay, so this is basically a very large level where it's, if you don't know already, it's kind of difficult to figure out exactly what you need to do. So with a mini-map, you can kind of plan out your entire escape route and then go through and execute it. What else do I need to point out? So yeah, basically we're doing a whole bunch of bug fixes, improvements, and it's turning it from, you know, a pretty decent game to a game that really is just polished and
glory. Oh wait, it's the corridor of frustration. Aptly named.
So yeah, any questions about the stuff?
You gotta go both ways?
Questions?
How do you beat this level?
You apparently have to go both ways.
No, you only have to go one way.
You're stuck.
Poor level design. projector's like, man, this level sucks. I broke your games.
And then the solid basically get the rocket boots, you go all the way up, and
Hey, the red's back! There was a pin that was missing.
We healed.
questions?
Reverend Sheriff.
No question.
All right.
Say it onto the computer.
So that is recursion. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna run out of time.
Your time is up. Aren't we always running out of time?
4,
It's
3,
really
2,
time or just a
1.
metaphor. What?
God.